Hello traders and welcome to our trade update. It's still not open here, founder of Master of the Markets A-Trades Conference and the Traders Open Day. So today is the 27th of September 2018 and here we are on our two positions over here on our market watch over here, which is basically Euro Dollar and Euro Yen. Now why have we taken these particular trades to begin with? It's all got to do with a part of the concept that we teach at Live Trading Evening, which is capturing turning points. Okay, now before I put on the smart money indicator, which gives you a quantification of the swing high and swing lows, which is so important, let me tell you what happens when you do not have that. Now you see what happens for many traders, including us as well, in the first beginning years when we first started trading, is that for a very long time, it's always getting confused. We always used to get confused, and a lot of traders get confused as well about which is a high or a low in the market. Think about this move up, right, over here. Some of you may say that, you know what, Thiru, I think that is a swing high. Or some of you may say, no, that is a swing high. This is not. And some of you may say, no, this is a swing high. This is a high of the market. Okay, that's. And some of you may say, no, this is a very small move. It's not a swing high, right? And some of you may say that this is a swing high. So it goes on like that, is it not, traders? And then a lot of discretion comes in. When discretion comes in, doubt comes in. And when doubt comes in, then fear comes in, and then you get crippled, and then your stats become inconsistent as well. So to remove all of that, what we then did, and also we were lucky as well, we came across some institutional quants which showed us how to quantify the swing high and swing lows. And that's then how we developed the indicator just based on pure price alone. Okay, pure price alone, which is the smart money indicator, which then tells you on a quantification basis on which is a low or a high. So for example, this is not a high. This is a high, this is a low, so that's what it tells you. Now, how does that help you? Which we also tell you in Live Trading Evening as well, which is basically that it helps you in the sense that, it will make your stats valid because consistent execution now can be achieved because you quantified your highs and lows. Now, once you've done that, and that's another thing also we talk about in Live Trading Evening, which is some people may argue, oh, how do I know that your quantification is better than another one, right? I can quantify anyhow as well. Like, I can have my own way of saying that's a swing high, swing low. And the only way to do that is through open equity, and that is something that I would encourage you all to go and look into. So coming back into this, once you got your swing low and swing high quantified, very, very important. So I know that it's a low according to my algos and mathematical quantification. And I know because of that there's an edge in the market as well, according to this type of quantification. Then what I do then next is to see, is there a very high probability of this high point turning around to become a swing high according to my quantification. Okay, once it does tonight, then the arrow will pop up. And according to this strategy, I will get out and bank in about just a little bit less than £2,000 on euro dollar. Okay, so that's how this is designed. In Live Trading Evening, we give you a rough idea as well. We give you a very good idea on how to capture these turning points on a concept of trending bars. So highly invaluable. So it'd be really good to see some of you all there on Live Trading Evening. Next thing we got also is Euro Yen. You can see that this is again the same concept. I'm looking to capture the high, looking for this to confirm. Of course, not all the time it's going to work out in your favor, but that's why we got our risk management factors coming in so that you can then minimize your losses and maximize your profits. Okay, is what you're seeing here in real time, just a little bit less than £2,500. Okay, we go through all these concepts in Live Trading Evening, so look into that. And basically, Live Trading Evening is a really great evening. We actually do it in Canary Wharf on the 34th floor. Food and drinks, networking, live trading. So it's an awesome evening. Yeah, so I guess that's pretty much that. So look into these concepts, lows and highs, risk management, and also how to capture turning points on terms of overextension of the market on a little bit that I've talked about over here. So we'll do one more update once it's all been closed out and you all can see how this turns out cash for you just with 15 minutes work only. That's all it is, 15 minutes work. and it's all risk managed. All your stop loss and targets are all in place. Okay, that's pretty much that for me. And as I always say, till next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.